buy some flowers? Flowers! Does anyone want to buy some flowers?
Excuse me, lady. And I will be there to carry you away from this place,
Take me where specifically sa piano?
where your hands will never blister and your beauty will be praised, not prized.
Napapangiti na naman ako at ikaw ang dahilan nito. Bumabalik ang kulay ng aking mundo. Napapangiti na naman ako. Di na makausad, di
Then what am I to you, Angelita? What am I, a foolish dream?
You are the dream that I can never keep sa piano, and you have to understand that.
No. Angelita, you are giving yourself to a person who sees you as a prize, but not as a person.
kayang dala.